The 2008 Mercury Mariner. Room for 5 passengers. Tight, responsive handling. 6 standard airbags and savvy functionality are all part of the stylish and powerful Mariner. Mariner's electric power steering is powered by an electric motor, improving the steering feel at low speeds, providing precise steering on the highway and helping improve fuel economy. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power driver's seat, power sunroof, front air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, 6 CD changer, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.